if the question is not shown yet, if I found someone raising the arm earlier, disqualified. Okay. Abhinav, raise hand first. Yes, Abhinav. Oh. There should be equal to where?
The second line.
Second line.
If number equal to 8,
Yeah. Then it should print. Okay. Fine. Have you written there? What do you have written there? Okay, great. Okay, we got the students set up. For I in range column. What do you have written over there? Column? Missing column. Have a seat. Okay, total marks 1 third. Okay, according to Nikhil, bracket is not closed. Which one? Okay, we need to complete the print statement. What should we write now?
Sir, bracket should be closed.
Bracket should be closed, nothing else? It cannot be divided by 0. Which error?
Zero division.
Have you written over there?
Yes, sir.
Yes? Let me verify it. Okay. How? Where? Statement should be. Yeah. For I in range 5, if I equal to 2, continue, print I. What will be the output?
The 2 will be skipped.
2 would be the output.
Output will be 0, 1, 2, 1, 0, 1, 3, 4, 5. And 0, 1,
You are changing your answer. Let's sit down. So, fine. Okay, next. Okay, Siddharth, stand up. How? Here? Third last. Fine? Sure? Okay, have a seat. So it is again Siddharth with 2, Nikhil with 2, rest all with 1, and rest all with zeros. Right? We have 2 more answers. Okay, let's go to now. Logic? Logic is fine. Okay, yeah. Okay, 22, stand up, yes. Good. Text equal to Python programming print text dot upper dot print. Fix the method change.
The second line
Is
there is 2 servers.
close bracket over here. Here.
There is 2 close brackets.
Yeah, it should be 1. No.
Sir?
Yes,
सर
उसमें
ट्रिम में नहीं बताया हुआ कि ट्रिम क्या करना है.
ट्रिम
दे दी है लेकिन सर उसमें बताया हुआ नहीं कि किस चीज को ट्रिम करना है.
Okay. But what is the meaning of this?
Sir, fix the method change. The method sir.
Okay. Wait a second. Please sit down. Yes, stand up. What's number equal to? Something.
The second line, input के पहले print होगा, bracket input, and then that line then bracket.
Okay, fine. Thank you. So, how many students got 2 answers? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Please sit down. How many got 1? Okay. Total 6 students? Good.